Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming hardware support. Enable VTX or AMD and VTD or AMD VI in BIOS because Qubes relies on hardware isolation. Once done, allocate a dedicated 32 GB or larger drive or partition and back up anything important. This prevents accidental data loss. Next, download the current Qubes ISO and verify its checksum to ensure integrity, then create a bootable USB stick. These steps protect you and prepare the system for a clean, isolated hypervisor-based installation. You boot the installer, pick UEFI or Legacy according to your hardware, and follow guided partitioning. LVM is recommended for flexible VM storage. During install, set a strong root password. After first boot, create an admin Qubes for management and separate template Qubes for regular apps to limit exposure. Configure networking by keeping SysNet and SysFirewall isolated. Route user Qubes through SysFirewall. Also enable disposable Qubes for risky actions, because isolating tasks reduces the blast radius of compromises. You finish by updating DOM0 and templates. Apply security updates promptly and enable automatic updates when appropriate, because timely patches close known exploits. Harden DOM0 by keeping it minimal, avoid browsers or email there, disable unused services, and use strong keys and passwords. If a VM fails to start or a device pass-through breaks, check QRXEC and Zorg/Wayland logs. Confirm PCI pass-through and IMU are enabled in BIOS and rerun hardware checks. One key tip: recheck BIOS virtualization settings first. They fix many issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.